Arizona is my entire life. It's the essence of our family, our business, our friends, our communities. I've personally have committed myself, hopefully, to improve Arizona as I think my dad and his generation did, and my grandparents. They came here to make a better life for themselves and to make a better life for where they resided. My grandparents came to Arizona in 1910. They were Lebanese immigrants. My dad and my uncle opened a store in the south part of Chandler, and that was the beginning of our family grocery business, 1932. And from that point, we've expanded to and grown to where we are today. Our philosophy has always been we're local. We like to think of ourselves as Arizona's hometown grocer. And more than a business, it's an investment in the community. We have the stakeholders of Arizona, our residents, our citizens, and we invest as we can in those measures and programs and causes that help build better communities, better homes, better schools. Since 1993, a facet of our operation to the Hispanic community. It's called Food City. We today operate 50 stores around the state of Arizona. The predominant commitment to the Hispanic community, the Hispanic palate. We employ thousands of Hispanic members in our store. I think our success is multidimensional, but I would be less than candid if I didn't say to you that the most important element of, I think, our success is the people who comprise Bashas'. People who are committed not only to serve, but to be part of the community that they live in. We grow together as one. Business, community, faith, education, we're all one. Education is critical. Education is truly the door to tomorrow. In Arizona, education has been an integral part of my life. I was on the local school board, I was on the Arizona State Board of Education, the Arizona Board of Regents for 8 years, so I've been in every facet of education. Another institution that is so important to me is Feeding the Poor. St. Vincent de Paul is one of the most notable organizations in the state of Arizona. I truly believe that the best is yet to come in our state. And I think when we join together, that we can build a better economy, a stronger economy, and that we can provide more opportunities, especially for the Hispanic community. So I think there's unlimited opportunity for people who are interested in starting their business, joining with other businesses to expand and to improve upon what they're currently doing. I'm naturally very honored. I'm highly flattered. To me, it's so important because the Hispanic community, as I said, is part of my life. I don't look at myself as being anything different than part of the Hispanic community. And so to be recognized by your own is really very meaningful and very, very genuine. And I hope that I can reciprocate for the great honor that they've provided me.